Despite a lot of negative news and media FUD lately, Bitcoin has remained relatively stable with very low volatility. In previous instances, this has often preceded a massive move. The last week or so would have been highly tumultuous for Bitcoin and crypto markets in the past, but the asset has hardly moved in terms of price. There was the KuCoin hack, the BitMEX imbroglio, and the POTUS catching COVID, and yet BX remained resolute. Participate and grab a share of, us analyst and chart guru, Willy Woo, has observed that volatility, trade volumes, and exchange revenues are currently at a low, which means investor buying pressure could dominate the next move since exchanges are not selling so much BX. When volatility is at a minimum, it means trade volumes are at a low, which means exchange fees revenue are at lows, which means exchanges sell less BX profits to fiat, which mean investor buy pressure dominates the next move. Eli, bullish, /T. Olorado/Pax T. Willy Woo, at Wonomic, October 5, 2020 massive move inbound. It was also noted that Bollinger Bands have been squeezed into a very narrow channel, which could also lead to a breakout. The inventor of the technical indicator, John Bollinger, hinted at the same premise. I am not that fond of prolonged squeezes. It is not that they can't work, they sometimes do, but I prefer the squeeze and go.
Variety. Meanwhile, on-chain analytics provider Glassnode reported that the negative events of the past week have not had much effect on Bitcoin markets and it is fundamentally still strong.
Despite a number of potentially unsettling events over the past week, $BX has remained largely stable at over $, and sharp Bitcoin's on-chain fundamentals are still strong.
Read more in. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.